We are gonna now create a new case. Let's name it sphere. We push on the create button in order to actually create the case. We are asked now to upload a geometry file. So here you are. We need to wait a little bit for the file to be transferred from our local PC to the remote server. Once the file has been uploaded by the system, we will be asked, here it is, we are asked to choose what's the geometry length unit of the file. In this particular case, it's meters. And how we're going to divide the file. In here we don't want to divide this, so we select whole geometry. We move to the next section, and since we want to simulate the flow around the sphere, we select external flow, and now we're asked to define the bounding box around the sphere. Since we want this bounding box to span 20 meters in X, 20 meters in Y, and 20 meters in Z directions, we need to select X to be between minus 10 meters and plus 10 meters, Y minus 10 plus 10, and the same for Z. Just as a reference, these are Cartesian coordinates. So let's put minus 10, minus 10, minus 10, 10, 10, 10. So lower left button of the bounding box, top right button of the bounding box. We submit. We want to submit. So now here it is. We can actually see the case with the step geometry, which is in process. It's running on our remote server. It will take a little bit for the system to handle it and to actually process it. But after waiting for a few seconds, we'll see it disappearing from the cases in progress side of the dashboard. And we will be, here it is, it disappeared right now. So now we should be able to actually see it from this list. Here it is, sphere. I select it and I open the case. Probably I did something wrong. So here it is. We select the geometry step, which has just been processed, and in here we're gonna visualize it. So here it is. This is the bounding box we have just selected. We can actually see it's like a cube, obviously. When we want to see inside the cube, if we want to see the sphere, we need to click on here and select clip. For this particular case, we select the origin to be minus 0.5, 0.5, and the normal to be 100. So in here we select the origin point and the normal of the slicing plane. We click on apply and we turn off. Here it is. This is the sphere inside of the bounding box we have just selected.